Welcome to our tutorial on creating a solar commercial design. Let's dive right in. Click on New Segment and draw a new segment. Continue creating new segments as needed. Once you've created roof segments, it's time to add obstacles and keepouts. Start by creating the first obstacle and set the setback for the new object. To save time, you can easily copy obstacles. Don't forget to save your progress by clicking on Save Project. Now, let's choose a solar module from the provided list. After selecting a module, set the layout parameters such as tilt, azimuth, and row spacing. For accurate row spacing, you can use the sun path diagram and define the solar elevation angle. Click Apply to implement the recommended row spacing for optimal efficiency. Next, pick an inverter from the list and place it in your design. Additionally, add service panels to your design. For our case, we'll set up line-side connections with a 400A bus bar rating. Now, it's time to create strings. Find information about string size in the electrical configuration. Click on Show More to access additional information like voltage at open circuit, temperature coefficient, short circuit current, and more. Place strings on the design. Choose batteries from the list and set the number of batteries. Verify consumption for accuracy. Now, configure the electrical setup by adding inverters to service panels and combiner boxes. Also, add strings from the design to the electrical configuration. Let's move on to the final step, the permit package. Simply navigate to the designated page and click on Generate Package to complete the process. Congratulations! You have successfully generated a comprehensive package that includes the site plan, single-line diagram, attachment plan, safety labels, and data sheets. If you enjoyed it, kindly remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.